Today I will guide you on how to complete the boss mission in Arcade War. First, open the map and look for the marked location in red. If the marker is not red, it means it is not a field boss. Next, teleport to the field boss location. Once you arrive, explore the area and locate the field boss. When you find the boss, keep a safe distance, especially if your character is still weak, as the boss deals significant damage. Record a short gameplay clip. Now I will show you how to complete the mission in Crosswave. Start by searching for it. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. If you already have an account, you can proceed directly. Open the mission section and find the Arcade War Field Boss quest. Then go to the Arcade campaign and copy the required hashtag as you will use it later. After that, go to the YouTube and upload the video you edited using CapCut. Simply select and upload your edit video. Add the caption and description, then upload the video. You need at least 5 views to qualify for the mission. Once you reach the 5 views, copy the YouTube link and paste it into the mission section in Arcade War.